Welcome to the ultimate guide to Shopify dropshipping by Learn, Grow and Build. This video is going to show you everything you need to know to build your own dropshipping business in the shortest time possible. There is going to be absolutely no fluff in this video. There's going to be no sales pitches to buy courses or join a membership program. This one video is going to teach you everything you need to know, give you all the tools and all the knowledge to make your first $1,000 with Shopify dropshipping. I'm gonna walk you through step by step on how to find the best products to sell, how to create a professional and branded Shopify store, and then the most important part, how to drive traffic to your store so it can start making sales as fast as possible. So make sure you are focused, and then let's get started building your dropshipping business. Let's start with the first step of building a successful Shopify dropshipping store, which is doing product research and finding a great product to sell. So in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you the 7 best methods to find potentially winning products. We will begin with my currently favorite product research method, the TikTok ad spy method. Go to Google and type in top ads on TikTok, and you should be able to find this website here that gives you access to all the ads on TikTok. So for example, we could look for ads running in the United States. Then select a niche like beauty and personal care, set the objective to conversions and product sale, and then look for ads that have been running in the last 30 days. Then we can even sort the ads by the ones that are performing the best in terms of reach, click-through rate, and retention rate. This allows us to see the ads that make people actually click and visit the store after seeing the ad. The reason this is currently my favorite product research method is because we can not only find tons of product ideas in minutes, but we can also see what ads are performing the best for these products. Let's move on the method number 2, the Facebook ad spy method. This is where we look at what products are currently being sold on Facebook and Instagram by looking at ads on these platforms. For Facebook, I like to use a free Chrome extension called My Ad Finder, which filters out all the regular Facebook content and just shows us the ads to make sure we only see e-commerce ads. And we are able to find hundreds of potential product ideas within just a few minutes. If you want to see more ads that a particular brand is currently running, what you want to do is go to the Facebook ads library, enter a target country, choose all ads, and then type in their brand name. That will show you all the ads that this brand is currently running. This is a great way to see what marketing angles are currently working for other stores. So you can basically use the same or similar angles for your own ads. Sometimes you can also simply type in a product name and you will be able to find stores selling that particular product on Facebook. What I like to do is check different countries to see if there is a market where nobody is selling that particular product yet. This might be a great opportunity to find a winning product that is already selling well and be the first one to sell it in a new market. Now on to method number 3, paid ad spy method. This is basically the same method as the first 2, but now we use services like adspy.com, Mania, or other tools that automatically show us new winning products every single day. So these tools basically look at the active ads on Facebook, TikTok, Snapchat, or Pinterest, and then look at the ones that are performing the best in terms of views, shares, likes, and comments. This allows us to save tons of time finding all the ads ourselves and analyzing their performance. So for example, here on Mania, we can simply go to Facebook ads for the filter. I like to go to advanced and then set the creation date to the last 30 days. The language to English, the e-commerce platform, to Shopify. This will show us all the ads that have been created in the last 30 days and have proven to be successful because they already have a decent amount of likes. Let's move on to method number 4, the viral TikTok method, where we look at TikTok product videos that have recently gone viral. So simply open up TikTok, go through the search feature on the top right and type in popular hashtags like, for example, TikTok made me buy it. To make sure we can get on trends early, we want to go through the filter on the top right, and then under date posted, we are gonna change it from all time to this month. Then hit apply, and TikTok will show us the most popular videos with that hashtag. And here are some more hashtags you can check to find trending products on TikTok. When we find a product that looks interesting to you, you can also click on their TikTok profile, and usually you will find a link to the store selling that specific product. These people are basically using organic TikTok content to get visitors to their store. This is a great strategy, especially if you are on a low budget. The fifth product research method I want to show you is the supplier reach out method. This is where we directly contact suppliers on AliExpress, Alibaba, or also other sites and ask them what products have recently started sell for them, because they are the ones delivering the products. So they have all the information what products are working well right now. Obviously they benefit too from more people selling their products, so they will tell us exactly what products have recently started to sell for them. By using this method, we are able to find products that aren't too saturated yet and get on trends early. The next method I want to show you is the Amazon movers and shakers method. This is where we spend time on Amazon.com and look at products that have recently been gaining in popularity on Amazon, that show us the biggest gainers in terms of sales rank over the past 24 hours. So these are the products that have recently become very popular on Amazon. I recommend to go through some interesting categories on the left side and just spend some time looking at these trending products. And Amazon actually updates these products every single hour. Method number 7 is the AliExpress rabbit hole method. This is where we simply go to aliexpress.com and go through their products recommendation system. So on the AliExpress homepage, we just click on products that look interesting and then ask ourselves if we could market that product creatively on social media. And for each product that we click on, we can also scroll all the way down and look at the recommended products. If we keep doing this for like 20 minutes, we can find tons of product ideas that we wouldn't have found anywhere else. So now we know exactly how to find potentially winning products. But what are we looking for exactly in a product so that we can maximize our chances of starting a successful and profitable store? So here are some things to look for when choosing your first product. First of all, the product needs to be something that actually adds a value to somebody's life and actually solves a real world problem. You don't want to sell something that is of low quality or doesn't do what it promises. That would just lead to tons of refunds and a horrible experience for you and your customers. Then we want to think about the platform we will be selling that product on, which is mainly Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. People go to these platforms to be entertained and not to buy products. This is why products with a so-called wow factor work the best on these platforms. So try and find products that look interesting and maybe even something that many people haven't seen before. Optimally, it should be relatively easy for people to understand the benefits of your product within just a few seconds. The best products are the ones that give you tons of creative ways on how you can advertise it on social media. Another factor you want to consider is the selling price. Many people on social media generally don't buy very expensive products. from brands that they haven't seen before. So we want to make sure that we can sell our product as a price that is low enough so that people are willing to take out their credit card and purchase without even overthinking too much because of a high price. At the same time, we don't want to sell something that is too cheap, because then it will be hard to make a profit after all the expenses. In order to be profitable, we want to make sure we can get the product from our supplier for a third, or better yet a quarter of the price that we are selling the product for. Meaning we will be shooting for a 3x or even a 4x markup. So if we are able to get the product for $10 from our supplier, we want to sell it on our store for $30 to $40. Anything below $30, which would mean below a 3x markup, it would be very difficult to be profitable. We also want to look at the current market situations. For a potential product, you are most likely not going to find a product where you don't have any competition. So don't worry if there's already other people selling the same product. Usually that just means that there is a demand. If you are trying to find stores that are currently selling the products that you are looking at, I have a quick tip on how to easily find those stores. What you can do is simply take a screenshot of the product, then go to Google Images, click on this icon here, which is the search image feature. Then upload your screenshot and then click on find image source. This will usually show you all the stores that are currently selling this product. If you go for a product that is seasonal, make sure to launch your store at the start of the season and not at the end. Once we find a good product that we think has potential, the next step is to find a good supplier for that product.